हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अली हसनैन इंश्योरेंस। हाजिर मैं आपके पास एक नई वीडियो के साथ। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ हाउ टू गेट अ न्यूयॉर्क इंश्योरेंस लाइसेंस। Getting your New York insurance license is the first step to becoming an insurance agent in New York. Whether you are interested in selling property and casualty insurance, life insurance, health insurance, or any combination of those lines of authority, this article has the information you need to get started. The New York Department of Insurance has a six-step process on how to become an insurance agent in New York. Will walk you through step by step from the license application to insurance test prep to the New York insurance exam and beyond. This guide has everything you need to know to get your New York insurance license quickly and easily. Recommended. How to get your New York insurance license. Getting your insurance license in New York is easy. Just follow our step-by-step guide. Be sure to bookmark this page so that you can visit it again throughout this process. Step 1. Which insurance licenses do you need? The first step to getting your insurance license is choosing while which licenses you need. The most common licenses new insurance agent get are the property and casualty license (PNC), life and health insurance license (L&H). The types of insurance products and policies you will be selling will determine which licenses you need. Here are some examples of these of policies. The types of policies you can market with each license: property and casualty insurance license, auto insurance, home insurance, business insurance, etc. Life and health insurance, life insurance, annuities, Medicare, health insurance, etc. Number 2. Step 2. New York Insurance Pre-License Education. After you have determined which licenses you need, you must now take your New York Insurance Pre-License Education course. Most folks choose to take their insurance pre-license course online. These courses are created specifically to give you the skills you need to pass the test. The types of license you choose, also known as lines of authority, will determine which courses you take. Step 3. New York Insurance License Exam. And the next step after completing all of your pre-license coursework is to take the insurance exam. You will take one exam for each combined line of insurance you wish to carry: life, accident and health (LA&H), and property and casualty (B&C) are the total of 4 lines, but the licenses and exams are presented at 2 combined lines. Step 4. New York Insurance License Application. Once you have completed your exam, you are now ready to apply for your license. If you have more than one line of authority that you have passed the exam for, be sure to apply for all those lines. You must wait till 48 hours after passing the exam to apply for your license. The fee for an online application is $40 per line of authority. Number 5. Step 5. Application review. Once you have submitted your application and have filled all the other requirements, your license application will be reviewed by the state. Your background check from the application will also be reviewed.